So when you land on the Rumba Walk, you want to be high. So we land high, and then our squeezing from shoulder to hip here on the left. We release and walk, and walk, and walk. It's very, very high, very high, very high. And so on each step, you want to land high, especially on the third one. And go, and walk, and high, high, like this. Excellent. And walk, and high, and walk, and high, 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 high. No changing of the neck. And walk, and high, and walk, and high. And also, we want to add, when you land high, there's a split weight, you continue weight, and you see you have that slight hip circle, and hip circle, and walk. So like if you have my pockets here, send this pocket back, and walk. See, send this pocket back, walk. So there is this hip twisting motion. Remember, work on the hip twist. Yeah. Presentation is everything. Okay, do like this. Do like this. Walk. This is you. And walk. And walk. And walk. And now, do not exaggerate. Make it little and natural. So you just little and walk and walk. Still diving for me. It's less, a little bit less. If you do a little bit less, it's going to be better. Because it's not about, because now you're doing such a big action, but you see it disturbs you. You want to have small internal actions which make you flow. So you constantly present. Boom. See, I'm not disturbed. Boom, boom. That's what I love it. So your best Rumba walks, honestly, is when you do your arms. Yeah? Practice like that. Walk. And that's the best. Walk. Not just in straight line. Walk and walk and walk. That's the best. Because it's more, you look more natural. Yeah. Now, if we have a hip twist, you from here to here, that's going to be much more tension in the legs, more woo. It's more work, more power, more squeezing. Go walk and walk and walk. Yeah, so those a little bit, those more aggressive. But when you go forward, it's more smooth, it's more flow. Yeah, always practice with the arms. Walk and walk, two arms. Two arms will be better for you, for now. And walk and forward. And walk and walk. Now look at this, look at this part. Yeah. Walk and walk. Over there. Yeah. Then here and then hug. Yes. Yeah. As you walk, without lifting shoulders, if you can.